ইংরেজি সাহিত্যের আরও কিছু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ প্রশ্ন সম্পর্কে আমরা এই ভিডিওতে আলোচনা করব। চলুন তাহলে শুরু করা যাক। হু হ্যাজ রিটেন দ্য প্লে ভলপন? বেন জনসন। হু ইজ considered to be the father of English poem? Geoffrey Chaucer. Renaissance is what an Italian? Who is a metaphysical poet? Cowley. Brutus is a famous character of Shakespeare in Julius Caesar. A sonnet is a lyric poem of 14 lines. A sonnet is a lyric poem of 40 lines. Twelfth Night is a comedy. Which book is a tragedy? Hamlet. Shakespeare's King Lear is a tragedy. The beginning of the Renaissance means the trace to the country of Italy. Which of the following is a play by Shakespeare? King Lear. Fairy Queen is or an epic. Caliban is a character of Man and Superman. Caliban is a character in Man and Superman. William Shakespeare was an English dramatist and poet of the 16th century. Which one of the following is the first long poem in English? Beowulf. Beowulf. ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।